Hey guys, this is Peridots 715 here, coming at you with a new video, and this is going to be the intro to my beach day.
And me. We're doing fishing.
This is going to be the intro to Lane's beach day adventure. Zach and my dad. Currently, it is 5:17 in the morning. My dad's going to drive by a TomTom, get me a kickstart, because I'm gonna eat this fireball. This kid getting dirt good.
You still have that?
Huh? No, it's not a flashlight. It's my phone.
Do me a favor over there by the fern pit. We need that red fold chair that got broken.
All right, Zach, come on. This is gonna be our first adventure. Adventure, dude. Yeah, it's cold as crap out here. See the Big Dipper? Zach, see the Big Dipper? It's trippy. Where that though? I cannot see. I'm legally blind. Okay, you know what? The moisture on my feet are. That's not out here. I'm trying to bet it's up at it. Yeah, it's not over there. No. Yeah. So guys, this was just an introduction video to my beach day. To Peridots Beach Day Adventures. And we're loading up the car. We're about to go. When we go, we're going to go to Fort Pickens. We're going to go fishing, exploring underwater. Well, Zach is. That's trippy. Looks like he gave up. We're going to go to Pensacola Beach. Live it up. So if y'all did enjoy this intro to Peridots Beach Day Adventures, and I hope to see you in the next part. Ha ha ha.